Hi folks, updating the Fontawesome icons. We will typically use the Fontawesome icons for elements such as social icons because Fontawesome has the license to use Facebook and Instagram and Pinterest and things like that. So they have icons for that, as well as for small widgets and pop-ups and buttons and arrows and things. So let me just show you wherever there is a Fontawesome icon in your site that you would want to change, and most likely it will be the social icons in the nav bar at the top. We'd first of all find where that icon is. In this case, we'll open up the library, the shared, and the header library file. We'll scroll on down to the social icons section so we can actually find the icon link. Now, important to note, you will not see Fontawesome icons in the design view. If we switch to design view, you don't see an actual icon. You see the bullet list, but you don't see the icons. They won't display in design view. So we need to do this in code. And to do that, you actually have to sort of find whereabouts in the code it is. Now for social icons, I can show you exactly where it is. We just open up the page, we scroll down, they're all labeled, and right here, this I class, and it says FA. Anything that starts with FA is a Fontawesome icon when we use an icon class. If it's FA, it's Fontawesome. To change an icon, it's pretty simple once you find it, and you do need to change these in the code view. It can be done in design view, but it's so complicated. It's a lot easier to do it in code once you find it. Go to the Fontawesome website, and we are using Fontawesome version 5. Fontawesome version 5 has a free and a paid version. We're using the free version. Once you're on the site, click on icons. When you see icons that are grayed out, that means they're pro version only. And it'll tell you, pro license required. If they're dark gray, that means you can use them. So if we wanted to change an icon, and you can actually just look through the whole list, or you can use the find tool over here, and let's say we wanted something for audio and video. We could click that. It's going to sort of narrow the list down for us, right? Now let's say we wanted to use this really cool file audio icon. Well, to replace an existing icon or just to add this icon into your site, all you need to do is find the icon you want, click it, and it will load up a page where you can copy the actual icon class entirely, which is right here. Click that. It's copied to your clipboard. You can now go back to your website, and in this case, if we want to replace an existing icon, there's the icon class right there. And when I click on it, Dreamweaver is good enough to highlight the whole thing for me so I can see the start and the end. So basically, once it's highlighted, I just scrub over, and then I paste in the new icon right over top. Or I can just simply paste that code anywhere in my website I would want to use that icon. And you can paste them right in line with text. For example, if I have a page, I'll open up a web page. I'll put it into design view to find my text. So I'll scroll down, and if I wanted to use that icon right here at the beginning of this sentence, I'd simply put my cursor, or actually what I do is double click on the word, flip to code view, and you see how the word is highlighted? I'm just going to put my cursor at the beginning of the word and paste in the icon. Now once I paste it in, there's no spacing that's automatically applied, so you can just hit the space bar a few times so that the icon isn't stuffed right up beside the first letter. But that's all there is to it.